What's up? Good morning. Today I'm going to vlog. This vlog is, you can see, today my brother and father is taking a new car. So you can see today is now is come. Oh my god. You can see this is my father is a guns does he. So you can see, but he today has crashed it, and you can see this is a very nice car. You can see. Yes guys, so this is coming now, so I'm offing a video, and yes guys, so you can see now this is you can see now a water car. You can see this deck on my file, and you can see here a full time for WD. You can see this, and you can see this is our, you can see, yes guys. So today is, you can see here, mashallah. Yes guys, so it's Toyota car, and you can see this names. His number plate is 6768. So today I'm saying a new logs, and today our log is very special log. And you can see now, this is the car. You can see, yes guys. So you can see now this car is very new car. You can see, yes guys. So you can see now this is our Allah mashallah I'm saying. So you can see, yes guys. So you can see now under pressure. You can see, yes guys. So you can see, and you can see a doggy. Oh my god, a doggy. It's going a doggy now. It's nearly 9. But it's not. But you can see, oh my god, I'm very blasting from doggy. So now you can see, yes guys, the bike is coming, yes. So now you can see I'm coming bike. Yes, yeah. Yo guys, so it's gone the bike, yeah. It's gone, and car is gone. Sorry, oh my god, I have to do it. So big. Two level, yes guys. Mulewal, you can see this my front house, or you can see now. Yes guys, you can see this. So today you can see this is a new car, and my father is come from Umrah. So you can see now today. You can see my brother's take a new car, that is very nice car. And you can see it's a very nice car, but you can see these things. Yes guys, so now I'm stepping a video. Yes guys, so you can see this is comes up from Mahmoud. Yeah, yo guys, who got it? Yeah. Oh my god, this is a ball. You can see Verusha. Yes guys, so you can see this is on Mahmoud Shemakh Verusha. Yes guys, so please subscribe my channel. And like a video. And comment down below. But not peace up. Yeah guys. So as you can see, it's very trouble. Yes guys. Dan. Oh my god. Dan. Yeah, what's up? No. Say Dan. Turn summon Dan. Then I say grab it go. No, summon that. Yeah. Amen. Go up. Come on. Comes up. Yes guys, so you can see now. So please subscribe my channel. Yeah. So please subscribe my channel, like a video, and comment down below. So peace out.